I want a spacious living room and my open kitchen to feel cozy. Can you do it? I saw this creation white series tile which I think is perfect. So I want this type of tile in my living room and white color as my theme of my house. So can you make it?
No problem. Do you have any concept in mind?
I'm fine with it as long as it looks good. Maybe with some modern touch like this.
Designing a home can be daunting, especially when dealing with demanding clients. With AiHouse, you can create stunning 3D design in minutes, and you can show to your clients a virtual tour of their future home. Step 1. Import your floor plan and AiHouse will start creating a 3D design. Step 2. Go to AI Design and select the style that you want. With just one click, your house design is now ready. You can also implement your pre-saved tiles or furniture easily. If you have an image product that you like, simply search the image product and implement it. Or choose from the 82 million 3D models and material that AiHouse provides. If you think it's too big, simply resize it too. AiHouse let you easily share the design that you created with your client via simple link. With AiHouse, there won't be any problem communicating ideas with clients anymore. Say goodbye to the massive workload and hello to the future of home designing. Yes, scouting! Call them now at 016-229-7718 to receive a consultation immediately.